What's up, all you blue over lovers? Look what we got here. A 1967 Shelby GT 500 4-speed at $375,000. $375,000. If you want a GT 500 Cobra, that's what it's going to cost you. Let's go take a walk. We're under the tent. We're doing the tent. Look, we got the cool Chevy kit car. We got a 427-66 over here. We got what is this? A Pontiac GTO, factory 400 4-speed. We got a 63 white Corvette that everybody loves because they want to drop their keys down the grill. We got something special over here. I don't know about these cars, so I never heard of the writing on top of this, but you got side pipes. This is called the NCRS Top Flight. Something about this Duntove. You tell me what's up with that car, but $175,000. You got this boat. I don't know what this is. Speed racer. The Scarab, like the boat. That's why I call it a boat. All right, let's get on the wheels. We're gonna have to move. Look, my seat's all messed up over here. All right, here we go. Let's go on the move. Oh, look at this Chevy right here. Ooh-wee. Look at that color. Look at this. Yeah, look. Look at that. Look at that 67. No bumper. Oh, look at that sweet car. It's a 57. Look at that intake. Corvette C1, C2. There's a Mach 1, a Boss 429. We got to come back and shoot that bad boy. We got another C1 over here. Ferrari. A couple C2s. 64, C1. 69 SS. Oh, that thing's sweet with the Kragers, huh? High Boy. Hey, didn't I already shoot that already? It moved, I think. What do we got here? 427. Look at this. A 540 69 RS with an L88 hood. McLaren. An SS. Looks like a 70. C1, C2, C2, C3. And back to the beginning. See you guys on the next 10 adventure.